Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a background from a picture. So first I'm going to show you the free version of how to remove your background from your picture. So you're going to go to remove.bg and all you have to do is upload your image. So I've uploaded this image. So as you can see, it did a pretty good job of removing the background. The only problem is if you want it for free, you're only downloading a kind of a small image. If you want the HD version, you have to pay for it. The second option is Photoshop. So you open Photoshop, you import your photo, and it's very simple. You're going to click this little lock right here on background, and then you're going to go up here. If this wasn't popped out, you can click this right here, and then scroll down and click Remove Background. It actually does a really good job. And then you can export it. And the nice thing about doing it on Photoshop is that it's going to be at a much higher resolution when you export it. So if you have Photoshop, it's a pretty easy way to remove your background. So those are two simple ways to remove your background if you want to do it for free or if you have Photoshop. I'd love to know if you found this video helpful or if you have any other tricks to removing the backgrounds from your photos, please leave them in the comment box below. And please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this.